Hi guys, and welcome to my second video on the Bandit over the wire level 5 to level 6 and level 6 to level 7, and I'll read out the level goal. The password for the next level is stored in the file somewhere under the in here directory, and it has the following properties. The file is human readable, 1033 bytes in size, and non-executable. So just like in the previous videos, we'll be logging into this machine or server via SSH, and we'll be using the port 2220, and we just input the password from the previous level, and now we're in and we list the directory, and we see that there's an in here. Now after we've got into the in here with the cd command, now we can see that there's a total of 20 other subdirectories. Now it'd be very time consuming to go into each of these directories and catting each file one by one, and to see if that is the password that gets us to the next level. So to solve this, we are introducing the find command. Dot to represent all files in this directory, dash type F to make sure it's a file and not a directory, dash size 1033C to specify the size in bytes, and exclamation point dash executable to ensure that the output is a non-executable, dash exec file to execute the file command on all files found by the previous find flags, apostrophe curly brace apostrophe to represent all files found by the find command, backslash semicolon to then end the exec file subcommand. Now we use the pipe and grep ASCII to then filter out all the files found and make sure that they are ASCII text files. And now we can see what the output is for that specific find query / command. And now we're going to cat the only file that was found by all the pretty much the conditions that we put. And here's the password. So we'll just copy that, and yep. Now we're going to exit to then start the next level. So now I'm going to read out the next instructions to get the password for level 7. So the password for the next level is stored somewhere in the server, and it has all the following properties. It is owned by user Bandit 7, owned by group Bandit 6, and 33 bytes in size. Logged in via SSH just like the other previous levels, and I'm just looking in this current directory to see if there's anything here, and there isn't. So we're going to use the find command again, just as before. So now we use find and then a slash to represent all files from this root, starting from the root, and a dash type F to make sure that it is a file, not a user, not a directory, and then dash user bandit 7 to ensure that the file is owned by user 7, and then dash group bandit 6 to make sure that the file is also owned by group bandit 6, and then dash size to then specify the size, so that's 33 bytes in size, 33C, and then 2, and then greater than /dev and /null. And so the 2 greater than /dev /null pretty much specifies that a lot of this output is going to come up with error permissions if we output the command without the 2 dev null, and it just redirects all the error messages to the null dev and null directories, which gets rid of them. And so we're only left with this file that is that we're going to cat to get the password to the next level, as we can see here. So thanks for watching my second video in my Over the Wire Bandit series, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.